question.
Yeah.
Fuck,
come on.
How are you going to drill in the holes for these mounting brackets?
Oh, very, very good question, young whippersnapper. I just have a little tiny drill that I can get down in there and drill a pilot, and then I'll go on the outside and drill through.
Because there's just barely enough room.
Oh, yes.
Right?
You are correct.
What the whatchamacallit
Yes.
cross member thing
The whatchamacallit.
is like 4 inches away from the back, maybe 3 inches, something like that.
Yeah.
It's a tight fit.
Get some tape and tape up this positive terminal in case I bump anything. Whole car melts.
Oh God.
Like in 2 seconds. What the hell just happened? Okay, yeah, we gotta jack the car up. Go grab a jack. It's gonna hit. Yet so far. Jack it up. The battery? No, the battery. Okay. Uh-oh.
Now the top part, right? There's
Yep.
so many concerns here.
Okay. Lower it down slowly, buddy.
Oh.
Yeah. Go ahead. All the way. Okay, easy, easy. Okay. Okay. Keep going all the way down. Okay. We're gonna have to shorten these up. Oh fuck, I forgot this was 10 miles long. God damn it. Am I looking good right there? Yeah. Oh. Is it hitting? Yeah. Okay, well, we can come down a lot here. Come down slowly. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's more room. Okay. Watch me up. You watch it up there. Yeah. All right. We're clear. Let me make sure the back's good. Okay, go ahead and lower it slowly.
Wait, hold on.
What? Lower it. Go ahead and lower it. Go ahead. Okay. Keep going. Okay, wait a sec. I can't. Fucking. I even took some off.
Could it be the straps?
No. Go ahead and try and go down. Fuck. Yeah, we're never gonna get the straps out of there. back up. Come up. Okay. Boy, adding all this stuff has made it that much thicker. Holy shit.
Dynamat added just enough up front to make it problematic right now.
Yeah. Go ahead, go down. Slow, wait. Go ahead. Okay. Crazy. Fucker. I just don't think we're gonna get these straps out, to be honest with you.
It unlatched some of the, or unstuck some of the dynamat. That's what happened. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ah! That never happened. It never happened. It's okay. He's not looking. That never happened. That never fell out. That was always, that always looked just like that. That I never did anything. Oh shit, there's still more stuff that I didn't drop. That I didn't even touch. Guys, never did shit to that. I didn't touch it.
Yeah, now the question is, do I try and pull it out and fix the dynamat? Because it's gonna do it again. Or do I leave it nice and snug in there?
Because it did it on both sides.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter, and it didn't go all the way down.
No,
Just like
but that's probably clearly what stopped it, right? Yeah.
Definitely. I'm happy with it. If I can get these out, I'm perfectly happy with it. So let me try and wrestle those out. Yo, Bodhi. Bodhi. What a cool name you got. Love that name. Now comes the fun part. I picked up on the back, so if I did, they slide out. We should be fine. I'm happy with it. Could have went in a little easier. What's that?
Set that there.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, thank you. Ouch. Oh, you bastard! You okay?
Was that? That scared me.
Oh, what sucks though is I got 20 feet of it.
Yeah. We'll be doing that for a couple of minutes.
It's easier than the rear one. Uh-oh, it got twisted though. Oh, come on. Yeah. Fuck.
Is it twisted underneath the battery now?
Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I got it. Whew. Keep that straight, would you, son? Talk about squeezing 20 pounds of shit in a 5-gallon bucket. Holy shit. It's in.
Woo!
It's a true thing of glory.
Now for the next one.
Now for the next one. All right.
Piece of cake.
Yeah. Gonna come back just a little. That's all right. That'll pull tight when I tighten it. Man, that's it. It's exhausting. These things have been taking me like 3 days to like clean up, make sure that they're all bitchin' and install per battery pack.
That's a lot.
Isn't it? I mean, it don't seem like much. You're just sitting a frickin' battery pack in here, but it just seems to, just a lot of measuring for what seems so simple. It was so much measuring, so much fitting. And then you see what happens when we add the dynamat and just the body Schultz. You know, the liner. I mean, that had to make it almost 3/8 thicker. We lost almost 3/8 worth of room. And I always, you know, try to
Account for that when you're building it,
Yeah, exactly.
Because it was super tight before, but like with room.
Yeah, I had a little
And
bit.
now it's
and
just
I brought
like-
it back to where it was in the wider section, thinking, oh, this is gonna be bitchin'. It's gonna drop
Thank
back
God.
in here, and it's gonna go like,
Thank God for
yeah.
that. Can you imagine?
Could you imagine? So now I got to do the same thing to the other one. I got to cut it, shorten it up. I can see that the weight of the car is already going down back here with the fender. Once I get that trunk one in there, it's probably going to sit just exactly where I wanted it to.
That was right. There's another one that goes in the trunk. I forgot about that.
But I'm going to do that one first, clean it up, get that one in, and then I'll probably spend next week cleaning up the trunk because he never finished welding the corners and like giving it a nice finish. I want it to look like almost like if you're looking under the car, it almost looks like a fuel tank. And then that'll be all the battery packs. I mean, seriously, if we can get that freaking motor, that's the only thing stopping us from going like 100 miles an hour.
What is the reason you've been told?
They're waiting for, well, the first reason was COVID and things stopped.
Yeah.
And now we're being told that they're putting a huge order together for them, so they're trying to ship it in bulk with a ton of other stuff.
Which is great for them, but not
for us, yeah. I'm gonna just put the dynamat in this
the
other hole.
Driver's side?
Yeah, so that's done. And then I'll start working on that other battery pack and get it in, and
Get her done.
hopefully next week our motor shows up. I think I say that just about every week, but I'm building a new battery cover for this because when he pulled the battery cover off, this was stuck to the bottom of it, and that's too close for comfort for me. That tells me if this rubs through,
Yeah, that
you
means
could
there's
have
going
a
to be
real,
contact. Yeah.
I want at least a 1/2 inch of clearance, so I'm building a new little lid. No biggie. Well, I think I can get to all these plumbing fittings. Crazy. All right, get that battery in. Then one more pack to go, and holy shit, and start wiring this bitch up. Make sure that this is okay. Oh yeah. Should be. Bitchin'. Fucking perfect. Look at that. You never know that there's batteries underneath there. Crazy, huh? I think the most bitchin' part about this thing is how simple it is and how accessible you'll be able to get to everything. Just because it's such a small car,
Yeah.
you know?